Hello guys, and welcome to this new tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to show you how simple and easy it is to delete a project from your Asana dashboard. This can be useful when you've completed a project or no longer need a particular one. Let's get into it. Step 1. Signing in to Asana. First, head over to Asana and sign into your account. Once you're logged in, you'll be directed to your admin dashboard where you manage all your tasks and projects. Step 2. Navigating to your projects. Now, on the left side of the screen, you'll find the Projects section. Here, you'll see all the projects you've created or been assigned to. You can also see Portfolios, which are a collection of related projects. If you want to delete a specific project, just select the one you no longer need. For this demonstration, let's choose a project called Project Timeline. Step 3. Opening the project options. Once the project is open, you'll see the full view of all tasks and details for the project. At the top of the project screen, you'll find the project name. Right next to it, there's a little arrow that represents actions. Click on that arrow to expand a menu with various project management options. You'll see options to edit the project, duplicate it, and at the very bottom, delete project. Step 4. Deleting the project. Now, to delete the project, click on Delete Project. You'll be prompted with a warning message telling you that this action is permanent. Once you've confirmed that you want to delete the project, click on the red button that says Delete. This will permanently remove the project from your Asana dashboard. Remember, deleting a project in Asana is permanent, so make sure that you won't need any information from the project before you proceed. Once deleted, there is no way to recover the project. If you're unsure, consider archiving the project instead. Archiving keeps your project data intact but removes it from your active workspace, so you can always come back to it if needed. If you're not entirely sure whether you want to delete a project but still want to remove it from your active projects list, you can archive the project. Archiving is a good option if you might need the data in the future but don't want it cluttering up your dashboard. You can always restore archived projects later. To archive a project, simply go to the project options and select Archive Project instead of Delete. Step 5. Verifying the deletion. Once you've clicked Delete, the project will be permanently removed. Double-check your project list to ensure the project is gone. If you want to confirm the deletion later, remember that Asana doesn't provide a way to recover deleted projects, so it's a good idea to back up any important data before deletion. And that's it. Deleting a project in Asana is straightforward, but always keep in mind that it's a permanent action. If you're looking for more flexibility, archiving can be a great alternative. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you did, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more productivity tips. Feel free to leave any questions in the comments below. I'd love to hear from you. Thanks for watching, and I hope to see you in the next one.